Tired of spending hours reformatting your CV every time you apply for a new job? Today, we're unlocking the secret to crafting a reusable CV template in Microsoft Word that'll save you time and impress employers. First, open a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Go to the Layout tab, then click Margins and choose Narrow for maximum space. Next, let's create sections. Click on the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose a rectangle. Draw it across the top of the page to make a header for your name and contact details. Click on Shape Fill and choose a color that suits your style. Right-click the rectangle and select a text. Type your name in a clear, professional font, and add your contact information below, like your phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile. Now, insert a text box for your summary or objective section. Remove the shape outline and fill. Type in summary or objective as a heading in bold. Leave enough space below it for you to input your details later. Repeat this process to create sections for experience, education, and skills. Use headings for each and leave adequate space underneath for the experience section. Consider using a table with two columns, one for the date range and the other for your job title and responsibilities. Use bullet points in the experience and skills sections to highlight key accomplishments and abilities. To add the bullets, select the area under the header, then click the bullet point icon in the toolbar. Finally, save your masterpiece as a template. Go to File, then Save As. In the Save As Type drop-down menu, select Word Template.txt. Give your template a clear name, like Professional CV Template, and click Save. Now, you have a reusable Professional CV template ready to be populated with your unique information for every job application.